Hi friends, welcome to Data Science and AI Quest. The topic for discussion is the purpose for collection of any data for any statistical or analytics project and what is generally obtained from such collection of data. The main purpose for collection of data is to show some evidence which would be helpful for reaching a sound and clear solution to a specific problem. In analytics, one may get to find some problem statements like, after several fluctuations, the output of food grains rose from 190 million tons in the 2000s to 200 million tons in the 2010s. This marks a great shift in the total production capacity of a certain crop from one fiscal year to another over a period of 10 years, which shows that the amount of food grains has increased to some higher proportions over a given period. This, in statistical and economical sense, reflects the growth of production cumulatively over a given period or time period, which could be annually, biannually, or over a decade time period. One may deduce from the given example above that the commodity in discussion, that is the food grains production in different years, has steadfastly grown from year to year, and this rate of growth is not the same over all the years. Rather, this rate of growth varies from year to year, and this rate also varies from one type of crop to the other type of crop as well. Hence, because of this variable's nature of change, this is identified as a variable in the mathematical sense. The values of these variables give the information about the total amount of production over a given time period. And also, to know the fluctuations in food grains production, one needs to have the data over the production of food grains for the various years. So, after summarizing, I will be summarizing once again. So, what were the things that we have discussed in this topic as far as now? That is, how the rate of change of one variable gets impacted with the rate of change of another variable, and this can be seen with the example over here, where we took the example of the rate of production of a commodity like the food grain, and we compared it over a time period. So we saw that with the changing nature of the time, the rate of production growth has also grown as well. So finally, we'll conclude with this for the day, and we will get into more sophisticated and advanced levels of this form of data collection from more sophisticated mediums like multiple connected IoT devices over our forthcoming posts. So if you like this post and found it informative, then please press the like button and subscribe for more topics like these in our forthcoming discussions. Hence, thanks again for watching Data Science and AI Quest. Have a great day.